might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How did I get here? I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than all alone. Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the Ukulele Fool. Let's do Kill Bill together. I'll go over the chords and possible substitutions for the chords, and then we'll do a little practice session with it, and you'll find at this link or this time stamp down here. It's a little tricky getting into the first verse, so we'll go over that. Down here is where you'll find that. And did you know that SZA does a finger-picking acoustic version of that? So I'll show you my finger-picking pattern, and we'll practice that as well. And then there is bing, a play along, and I'll throw in a history nerd section at the end. You need an A minor for this song. I would suggest that you might try using your index finger on the 2nd fret of your G string, and I have a low G here. That'll set you up for your next chord, which is a D. And so you just keep that finger there, and bada bing, bada boom, you have your D. Everything is in the 2nd fret, and you need to rotate your hand up towards the headstock in order to make room for that. However, if a D is not working for you, you can take that A and just add your middle finger to the 2nd fret of the C string, and you have what's called a Hawaiian or an easy D7, and you can use that as a chord substitution. Quick little tip here, there's no D in that chord. Then you need a G chord, index finger, 2nd fret C, middle finger, 2nd fret A, and then your ring finger takes the 3rd fret on the E string. However, if your G feels uncomfortable this way, try it with your index finger on the A string and then reaching over with your middle finger to the C string 2nd fret, and then your ring finger picks up the E string 3rd fret. So many of my students find that this is more comfortable for them, and you know what? There is no harm in playing it this way. You also need an E7, index finger on the 1st fret of your G string, your middle finger takes a C string 2nd fret, and your ring finger is the 2nd fret on the A string. Your E string is open. The original song does not use a 7 chord here. It uses a regular E, would be more appropriate. So I play my E with my index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then I reach across with my middle finger to my G string 4th fret, and then I flatten it to catch my C string as well, and then I tuck my ring finger in on the 4th fret of my E string, like that. We play the same pattern of chords over and over and over in this song, so let's do a little practice with the strumming pattern that I recommend. The strumming pattern is a down, down, up, down, down, up on each chord. So let's just give that a try. We'll do it nice and slowly. Here's the chord progression. We'll do it through twice. 1, 2, here we go. A minor, down, up again, and D, down, up again, and G, down, up again, down, up E7, down, up E7 again, and A minor, down, up, down, up D, down, up, down, up G, down, up G, and E7, and let's end on an A minor, because it just makes it sound finished, right? Getting into that first verse is a little tricky because there's a pickup. Not that kind of pickup. It means that you're going to be playing, and then the words are going to come in later, and the pickup is going to the next chord. So you're going to have to play on that A minor, down, down, up, down, down. I'm still a fan even though I was salty. So you have to go through almost the whole strumming pattern on the A minor before you bring in the singing. I'll do that one more time. See the graphic here. Here we go. It's down, down, up, down. I'm still a friend even though I was salty. So I hope that gets you in there. In fact, I hope this is helping you on your ukulele journey. Consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I also have a Patreon site, and you know what? The graphics that you see here are on my chord charts, and you get all my chord charts for all my YouTube tutorials as being a patron. It starts at $3 a month, and I give live Zoom sessions twice a month, even at that $3 level. So come join me. Here's what the finger picking pattern looks like. I'll do that again. I'll slow it down. I'll talk you through it. You're going to be plucking all 3 strings, everything but your C string. So you can see here, that's the configuration. You're going to pluck those simultaneously, and then you'll start on your C string with your index finger, and you're pulling up on your E, and then I'm using my ring finger for the A string. So once I hit that A string, I'm going to go back to my E, back to my C, and then back E and A. So I think of it as being you pluck, going down and going up, going down. Why do I say that? Well, because down is towards the floor. So going up towards my face, down towards the floor. So if that helps you, here it is lined up on the graphic so you can kind of see the movement of down and up. Let's practice each of those chords. You get one pattern for each of the chords. The chords are always the same in this song, so let's just give it a really slow practice together. 1, 2, ready, begin. A minor, and D, and G, and D7. Do it again. A minor, and D, and a G, and E7. I plucked that last one a little too hard, huh? Yeah, so popping out there. Here's an insider tip for making your chord progressions super smooth using this finger picking pattern. When you are going from the D to the G chord, that's a lot of fingers to move and get in position. Because the D chord has an open A string, release that D chord and start moving to the G chord when you are picking the last note of the pattern on the open A string. G to E7 is also a lot of fingers to move, so cheat. On the last note of the finger picking pattern, pick up all your fingers and play that last A string as an open string. In essence, you're inserting an A minor 7 chord between the G and the E7. That gives you a little extra time to get your fingers ready to play an E7, and it sounds cool too. Listen. Yeah, you like it? Don't forget to use speed controls on YouTube to help you with your online learning. If you need to go slower, you've got the power. And of course, if I'm talking too much, you can go faster too. You have to play this A minor a long time before you start singing. See this here? That's where you start singing, or at least that's where I start singing. You could start a little earlier, but like this. Still a fan even though I was salty. Hate to see you with somebody bright, know you're happy. I didn't sing the words very right there, but that's how long you have to wait. I'm going to be doing the finger picking to start. I am going to add in strumming because I think mixing it up like that makes it more interesting. So when we get to the second verse, I'm going to start strumming that, and then I'll go back to finger picking for the pre-chorus and the chorus. Ba, there's your starting pitch, it's a C. 1, 2, ready, begin. Salty, hate to see you with some other broad. Know you're happy, hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got a therapist to tell me that there's other men. I don't want none, just want you. If I can have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How did I get here? I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than all alone. Get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love it. The text's gonna be evidence. This text is evidence. Try to ration with you. No murders, no crimes, no passion. But damn, was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in amazement. Now you're not my patience. Now you're laying face down. Got me saying over a beat. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got a therapist to tell me that there's other men. I don't want none, just want you. I can have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His girlfriend's next. How did I get here? I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than all alone. Just kill my ex. Not the best idea. His girlfriend's next. How did I get here? I just killed my ex. I still love him though. I do. I'd rather be in hell than alone. Okay. We made it. Maybe. And then my camera battery died. Oh well, sorry, no history nerd section for this. Let me know how you did on this tutorial, what I can do to help you on your ukulele journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe and consider becoming a patron. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.